Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sierra. If you're new here, and welcome. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Today's video is a monthly declutter, cleaning, and organization video. So I am getting ready to go back to work, and I need to make sure that the house is cleaned up, cleaned out, and decluttered and organized. I needed this cleaning today to go ahead and get some things done. I have a lot to do in a little bit of time. So I am going back to work August 15th for pre-service week. I am a teacher, for those of you who are new here to my channel. I don't do much teacher content on this channel, as I mostly do things such as reviews, hauls, grocery hauls, cleaning, unboxing, and fitness stuff. And other things of that nature. I also do couponing on Saturdays, so that will start back up soon. I stopped because I went on vacation. So I am just needing to try to organize my house the best way that I can. So I'm going to go ahead and clean the kitchen and the bathroom, and I'm going to get laundry going, as I don't want to wait till the last minute to get laundry going when I need to return to work on Monday. So a lot of things that really needed to be done around the house was just to unbox, declutter, and to organize. So some things needed to be wiped down, some things needed to be put away, some things needed just some massive attention, and that is what I'm going to give in this video today. So stay tuned to see the ending result of my cleaning and all of the laundry. I really thought that the laundry was a never-ending thing. It just felt like I had so much laundry. So I wash my daughter's clothes separately from ours and from my son's, just because she is the one with the sensitive skin. So I just tend to try to put as much as I can in the washer. I do use spray and wash to try to get rid of stains out of clothes and stuff like that. I also wanted to give my bathroom a good deep cleaning, as I know that going back to work and kind of coming back off of the summer break and going back into work will kind of be stressful for me the first week, as I will be doing like pre-service week stuff. So for those of you who don't know, pre-service week stuff is where we get our classrooms together. We do like a lot of meetings, we do trainings. We also basically just go over needs and expectations for the year, just as far as the year and as far as the kids. So yes, very great time of year to get started. Really wish that we went back after Labor Day, but that would be very stressful, I feel. So August 25th is our first day, and I'm looking forward to it. I have changed positions this year into a kindergarten instructional assistant. Last year I was working with first grade. So it's going to be a huge change. It's going to be, trials and tribulations along with it, but I'm willing to see the difference in kindergarten and first grade. This is one of the things that I really wanted to do just all summer long, was to really clean the shower. So this right here, I'm using a pad to just, like I said, scrub it. And I did use a bunch of different chemicals. I really just want to get it as clean as possible. So I just wanted to take the time to do that. So I did go ahead and wash all of her shoes. That way I can figure out if she can still fit them. And if so, then, I will put them back. But meanwhile, I am just literally spending the whole day getting laundry together in the washer and getting ready to get folded. Comment down below if you all like to fold the laundry as it comes out of the dryer, or if you wait until all of your clothes are done being washed and dried in order to fold. I know for me, I like to wait until everything is done so that I can fold it all at one time instead of folding everything one by one and then possibly not having the energy to do it later. So first things first, I needed to make up my bed for the day just due to the fact that I'm getting ready to fold clothes. So I'm gonna need my bed made up in order to do that. So now that I'm in the living room cleaning up, I decided to just go ahead and give it a good clean. This is when your daughter feels like she can make a tent out of a table and a blanket. Trust and believe, the imagination is so creative, but not in the living room where everybody's trying to sit at and everybody's trying to keep clean just in case any company comes over. So it's best that I go ahead and just clean up the whole living room. I need to clean up my area. I will have a decorate my space video coming up soon just to show this area right here being remodeled to show that I wanted to decorate my teacher area, and that is also where I edit at. So I need to make sure that it's clean. I always love vacuuming. This is the only rug that we have in the house. So like I said, it's time to declutter, it's time to clean, and it's time to organize. As I mentioned before, getting all of the laundry done is one of my main priorities, as I need to have it done, folded, and put away before the weekend ends, as I will be heading back to work on Monday. So I needed to also kind of organize my life in my editing area and my, school area. So I sit on the couch sometimes and edit. I also sit on the couch and do homework and things like that. So I just wanted to make everything kind of neat and tidy as possible and kind of organize all of my materials. So one thing about me, I love to clean, but I hate the laundry. I don't mind cleaning up the kitchen and bathroom and my room and living room and stuff like that, but it's just the laundry. My laundry washer and dryer set do not go off and alert me when it is done, and that is just part of the landlord getting the cheapest washer machine possible. So here it is. I've already made up my bed. I have 3 loads of laundry so far that I can fold. I'm going to go ahead and try to bust those down as quick as possible. So I first start with my daughter's laundry just due to the fact that everything is all together and I don't have to worry about my laundry being mixed up with my son's laundry and Charles's laundry, all of us together. So I'm easily able to just put the shirts to the side because those will get hung up, and dresses. So other things such as underwear and socks and towels and pajama sets and pants, they get folded up. Shirts just get put to the side because they're going to be my first thing that I grab to go and hang up. So most of the time I fold in my room just because my bed is the biggest space, or I will sit out in the living room and fold on the floor after I vacuum.
It feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view.
Comment down below if you all like to fold your laundry on your living room floor, or if you like to fold on your kitchen table, or if you prefer to fold in your bedroom on your bed. I know for me, this is a game changer folding back here on the bed because I can throw 2 or 3 loads worth of laundry on this bed and bust it down within 30 to 40 minutes.
I'm not gonna wake up, I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa, no, not yet, whoa, no, not yet, whoa.
I literally thought that laundry was never going to end this day. I just felt like I kept doing laundry over and over and over and over. One thing about me is I like to catch all the lint after each load and then toss it in the trash. On the other hand, I don't think that my fiance thinks about doing it, so therefore I feel like it's just best that I do the laundry as far as washing it and putting it into the dryer. So that is just the crazy part. But on another note, I am loving using gain in my loads of laundry. I like the Moonlight Breeze, but I also love the Island Fresh one, or the Fresh, I can't remember what it is exactly called. The yellow one is definitely my favorite by Game. And so when I started couponing, I started buying all of these games and being able to collect the games and stuff like that. I've kept for myself, but I definitely have couponed enough to where I don't have to worry about buying laundry detergent for a good while. So if you've made it this far in the video, I would like to thank you so much for joining in to watch today's video, as I hope that you guys were up and cleaning and getting motivation from me, and that you all would subscribe to my channel so that you guys don't miss out on another video, as well as giving this video a huge thumbs up so that I know that you like this video and so that I'm out in the YouTube streets for everyone to know to watch this video. And I hope that you all enjoy the rest of your day.